Copying and pasting is an essential Windows functionality without which using your computer would be pretty hard. My name is Abdullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're fixing any copy-paste problems you might be having on Windows 11. So the first thing that we're going to do is restart our Windows Explorer. Now to do this, press Windows key plus X to open the quick access menu, and you will see the task manager option right here. Go ahead and click on it. Not the wrong window. But yeah, once task manager is here, what we are going to do is find Windows Explorer in this. So you can just quickly search for it right here. And as you can see, Windows Explorer has appeared. Now right click and then click on restart. This will flicker your desktop for a second, which means you're going to lose your wallpaper, but it's all going to come back. And once Windows Explorer has completely restarted, you can go ahead and try copying and pasting again, and it should work just fine. Next up, we're going to run the keyboard troubleshooter in Windows. So the first thing we're going to do is press the start menu and search for troubleshooters. You will see the troubleshoot settings option show up. Click on it. In here, we'll click on other troubleshooters, and you should see a bunch of troubleshooters appear here. If you don't see the keyboard troubleshooter, as is the case with me, you don't need to worry about it. If you see it, run it. If you don't see it, you can just skip past this step. Troubleshooters are slowly being phased out of Windows, so there's going to be different troubleshooters available on different people's computers. In case you didn't see the troubleshooter on your PC, what we're going to do is move on to the next step, which is run SFC. To do this, press the Windows key and search for command prompt. We're going to run it as an administrator, give it the permissions it needs. And in here, I'm going to type in sfc/scan now. Now this is a command that will scan your computer for any missing or corrupt files and replace them to fix any issues in Windows that you might be having. It's also a good general maintenance step to run this command every 2-3 months or so. So just make sure you try run sfc scan now and do whatever it recommends. If it asks you to make any changes, it most probably won't, because commands like these pretty much fix everything on their own. Another thing that you can try is to simply clear out your clipboard. So if I press Windows key plus V, I can get the Windows clipboard. Now this will have a history of everything that you want that you've copied in your current session, and of course any pinned clips that you might have. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on clear all, and from this point onwards you can try copying and pasting again. It's a very basic step, but sometimes due to a buggy file on your clipboard itself can cause the copy paste functionality to stop working. Clearing it is a good way of getting around that. Last but not least, if nothing else has worked for you, your best bet is to reset your Windows installation. The good thing is you can do it without losing any of your data at all. So press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings. Head over to System. In here we are going to Recovery. And now you have two options here. So you can either fix problems using Windows Update, which preserves your file, apps and settings, and if you don't want to go through the hassle of having to practically set up your computer again, I recommend you click this button. Alternatively, you can just reset your PC and choose to keep your personal file and then reinstall Windows, which is the more stable method of doing so. So you can click reset PC right here, and then you are given an option between wanting to keep your files or remove everything and start fresh. Choose according to your personal needs, and that's it. Once you've done recovering your Windows, it should be working fine without any issues. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.